In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Notion with Apple Calendar in a simple and straightforward way. This process is quick and efficient, taking about 5 minutes to complete, and once you've mastered it, you'll be able to keep your tasks and schedules perfectly organized across both platforms. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your connected workspace for tasks like wikis, docs, and projects within Notion. You'll find that Notion offers a robust setting for arranging all your projects in one place. If you're unsure where to start, simply head over to the Notion website. Next, you'll need to log into your account. If you already have an account, this step should be familiar. If not, it'll be a good idea to create one to get started. Once you've logged in, direct yourself to the Notion homepage. This is essentially your control center, where all your projects and calendars reside. Think of it as your digital chalkboard, where you can map out your daily tasks and upcoming events. Once you're on the home page, locate a page from which you'd like to work. By clicking on the page, you can turn your attention to the specific tasks or projects that need syncing with your Apple Calendar. Here's where the magic starts to happen. On the page you've selected, type in the command embed. This command is a powerful tool in Notion, allowing you to bring in content from external sources right into your Notion page. The embed function is what you'll use to integrate your Apple Calendar with Notion seamlessly. The next step is where you'll paste the link of your Apple Calendar. Before you do this, make sure you have your Apple Calendar's link ready. You can find this link by going to your Apple Calendar, selecting the calendar you want to embed, and copying its URL. Once you have the link, simply paste it into Notion following the embed command you typed earlier. This straightforward action connects your Notion page with your Apple Calendar, allowing you to see your calendar events right within Notion and keep everything neatly organized. And that's it. You've now successfully synced your Notion with Apple Calendar. This connection will help streamline your daily planning by keeping your schedule and tasks in one convenient place. Remember that organization is key to productivity. And with these two powerful tools working harmoniously together, you'll ensure that you're always on top of your commitments. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and useful. Happy organizing, and enjoy the seamless experience of having Notion and Apple Calendar in sync.